Haka arpoh tarik Jylliew hajar arpoh dkhot jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Committee on Women Empowerment bala khlieh du de Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh iakynduh pulit jylla Meghalaya batru Chairperson jong Meghalaya Commission for Protection of Child Rights Kong Iamonlang Syiem Chairperson jong Meghalaya State Women's Commission Kong Phidalia Toi iakren halor jingtohkit shaphanga jingshah pyniap arngut shipara halau la.jia shen Nongrah. Hadien katei jingiakynduh lang dkhot Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Committee on Women Empowerment hapoh jingialam jong Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh iakren nongpathai khubor man pentip halor jingiakren bala mi na jingialang bala long katei sngi. Habakren pathai kubor Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh kalayathu bakala kentu Meghalaya Commission for Protection of Child Rights Meghalaya State Women's Commission ban yatray lang kibor pulit jylla khnang onla ban wad jingtip bakhambanya halor jingiakynduh hayeng hasem ne domestic violence ru halor jingmudoi lok persha yalau lok ubalong ru ukpa khna bla pyniap dang shen. Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh ongru Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Committee on Women Empowerment kan yai budien kakam khnang onla ban wanra jingbishar bakloi badei hok na benta arngut shipara balui baladu yalla mensim.
On that day, we had sought from the police certain details, and we have found that it is now necessary that the police department, the Child Protection Commission of the state of Meghalaya and the Women's Commission of the state of Meghalaya should meet to discuss threadbare all detailed information regarding to A, the domestic violence that occurred, the registration of complaints by the mother of the two victims. We've also asked these three parties to immediately meet and take cognizance of all omissions and commissions as and when or if at all they occurred. As far as the status of the action taken report of the police, we have left it to the two commissions in the state of Meghalaya to have their discussions and to get back with a report to the committee for the empowerment of women of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The one thing that has emerged from this interaction with the police department and the two commissions is that A, there needs to be a tightening of all cases of reports of domestic violence to the police stations across the state. B, the filing of missing children is another very important concern in the discussions that occurred today. We are of the opinion that this case should progress rapidly towards the charge sheeting. Otherwise, again, there could be a lot of unnecessary delay in the matter. I am not permitted to disclose all that we have discussed because the case and the matter is now in court. However, we are going to follow up and we are going to ensure that justice is not delayed, worse so, not denied, to these two innocent victims who met with such a fearful, horrible death.